We are meeting here in Trondheim today. The university wants to discuss the future of aggregates. Aggregates is important for the society, the infrastructure and everything. So I'm meeting the industry, aggregate industry in Norway, and university and other institutions to discuss the future and the challenges and make a strategy for the university for education and research.
What do you think are the greatest challenges?
A lot. We have these environmental issues, we have how to use correct aggregates in correct ways, etc., etc. So there are a lot of different challenges.
A lot to discuss.
Definitely, yeah.